What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the L&JShaveCrave. We're back at it again, and today I did use the barber's mask right out of the shower, so we're going to be using a good old favorite of mine. I think it's more or less new, the Gent by Zingari Man. We're going to be doing a lot of shaves with Zingari, so let's get to it. We're going to be using the Zingari Man Badger shave brush right here. Okay, there's the logo and there's the Badger. I believe it's fan. Yeah, it looks really good. Okay, so we're going to use the good old Rad Coffee Skull to get it soaked up, and then we'll start lathering. Get this going as quick as possible. Also, happy 4th of July, ladies and gents. Over here in Colton, it's been absolutely insane with the firecrackers and I mean everything. It's actually been pretty cool though. Had a lot of fun. Blew up some firecrackers myself. It was pretty sweet. I had my son do some too. We didn't get fireworks, we got firecrackers, we got the good stuff. So, there it is, soaking in the Rad Coffee Skull. Let's go ahead and pull it out and start that lather. Let's see if we can get that on camera. I had a commenter say that holding the Captain's Choice shave bowl by the emblem gives you a better grip. And he's absolutely right. I never thought about that. And thank you, commenter. Alright. Let's get in there. Oh, there we go. Now we're starting to get somewhere. Let's blooper. Let's add a little water. Okay. That's perfect. Get that lather going. Oh yeah, we weren't even looking for a wiggle, but there it is. Let's get in there good. The smell of the Gent is another amazing scent. One I'd definitely be buying another tub of. There you go, check it out. Oh, every time. So let's use the, let's see here. Okay, let's use the Parasso Blue right here for pre-shave, and we'll get it going. I love this stuff. This stuff really works, especially for my skin. I'm not saying my skin is sensitive, but it does require some pre-shave. I can't just go at it, you know, bare balls on it. You know? There it is. So I can't get rid of my goatee and soul patch yet. Still fighting with the wife about it. Okay. And yes, I am fresh out the shower. Let's get in there with it. Oh, I see how it works. Nice. Oh, very, very good. Oh, the Badger. Ooh, very good on the Zingari. Okay, we're going to be using the Rex console with the Nastra Green 3rd use on setting. I'm going to go down to setting 2 because this stuff is pretty aggressive. As you can hear in the background, they're still lighting them off. And I'm talking about the good stuff. The artillery shells are some of my favorite firecrackers. They're the ones that go up into the sky and make all kinds of different colors. No lie, on setting 2 it got me done really fast. You guys seen it right here on camera. We're going to be going a second pass right now. Yep, second pass. Be right back. Okay, on to the second pass. And right now we got the wiggle right here going on in the shave bowl. Oh boy, look at that. Amazing. Let's get to it. Still got that pre-shave on there. I can definitely feel it and smell it. Like I told you guys in the last video, I am officially addicted to Zingari Man's scents and their soaps. Just look at that sheen, that shine, man. It's good shit. This is the 4th of July shave too, taking place at about 10 o'clock at night, because I waited because I wanted to be with the family to do all kinds of cool stuff today. We did do s'mores. So if there's any question for the Rex console, I would recommend setting 2 and/or 3 for a quick, super sharp, close shave. Oh, almost went with the left hand. And just be very careful upon the amount of pressure you put, because this razor is already heavy as is. Very good, very good. Over here in Colton, nobody gives 2 F's about blowing up their firecrackers. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it's super down right here. I've never heard that many firecrackers go off. It's been pretty awesome, not gonna lie. So as you guys know, I did use the Zingari Man, the Gent shave soap, and we're going to be using the Zingari Man Recovery Splash, the Gent as well. And we're using the Rex console for the 4th of July. Thank you, Matt, at Razor Emporium. Your razor rules, especially for today. Great razor to be using. Okay. Oh, bro, setting 2, no cuts. It's perfect. I'm actually going to do a pickup on camera right here at the bottom real quick for the model to look pretty sharp. I'm going to a city after Bakersfield called Exeter, which is one of my favorite runs. So I'd like to look clean and sharp for tomorrow. I finally got the hang of this, doing the pickups. Wasn't easy, but I got it. There it is, ladies and gents. No nicks, no cuts, no weepers, nothing. We're clean. What a 4th of July. And I didn't mention, but I will mention again, we use the Badger Zingari Man shave brush. There it is. Boom. Very, very good. Oh, and that smell, baby. Very awesome, very awesome. What else do I have down here? Oh, I think that's it. That concludes the shave. Let me wash up, and then I'll get back to you guys for the recovery splash. Here it is, ladies and gents. The Gent recovery splash, and there's the soap together. Put my face in between this. You guys have been seeing that on the screenshots. Now, let's use that. And I got another little surprise here I'm going to add to this, because I like that burn, you know what I'm saying? Oops. I'll grab that shortly. Here we go. Oh yeah, definitely got enough on that. Gosh, that smells so good. And her splashes are long lasting. Definitely makes my skin feel softer, more malleable, protected. Let me drop down and get that. There it is. Ooh, came with the hair. Got the cap. We're good. Let's put this away. Now, for the other little bits for tonight, because I'd like to smell pretty good, I'm going to be using Dior's Fahrenheit. This is an aftershave, and they do have the cologne as well. Alright, here we go. Add a little bit of that too. Just a little bit. Down on the neck. Oh, together they're great. It's a great combo. Let's do a little more. Yes. Let's put it right here where it belongs. Nice. There it is, ladies and gents. This is Shui J, the L&JShaveCrave. We're back at it, and we're doing it right. Like I said, this is another Zingari Man shave, and today I did use the Captain's Choice Shave Bowl, the Zingari Man Badger Shave Brush, the Heritage style. I used the Zingari Man, the Gent shave soap and recovery splash. And then we did top everything off with Fahrenheit, which I've just showed you guys. There it is. Okay. And not to mention, always use a pre-shave. I'm preaching this to everybody. Paraso Blue is one of my favorites. If not, grab a different pre-shave. Phoenix Artists and Accoutrements has many, and I have one of theirs right here, the Evil Cube. Okay, grab yourself a pre-shave. It'll protect your skin. It'll keep you from getting nicks, cuts, weepers, whatever, what have you. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back at it again on another one with the Master by Zingari Man. It's the dark and spicy barbershop scent. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Shui J, and do I have anything else before I forget? No. But I'll be back. Y'all take it easy. Peace out.